So here's the funnel. It says 2-in-1. So maybe this part is the second one because it's longer. Cu prelungitor, it says in Romanian. Okay, and it has that mesh inside in the center, so it filters the fuel a little bit. Plus it has this side, so the liquid cannot come out easily if you pour too much at a time. It has a small handle also, and this end is pretty tough. And that's what I need, because this car, Renault Espace, has a thing there which has to be pushed in. Okay, so let's see. How can this thing do it? Perfect. So, will this stay there? I don't think so. This way eventually. So yes, it's working. So that margin, that edge is pretty good. It's blocking it from coming out. I can do it with one single hand. So that's a good funnel. That side is very useful.